Welcome to myToyS TV. Today we're opening Pop-Bot.
So McDonald's toy, right? Happy Meal toy.
Here's a close-up. In the last video, I forgot to open this thing. So this time I'm going to be better and open it. Oh, I have to open it a little bit. Okay, I opened it a little. Why is it not? Okay, I can do it on the other side. Okay, I opened it better. Oh no, baby's crying. I just hear her cry. Oh no! Ignore baby crying, okay? Right, guys?
Yes.
Ignore the baby crying. Cardboard.
Yes, the Discovery Brown
How
broke
do
my
you use
bro.
this?
Yeah, they got the instruction card here.
Maybe you have to knock that.
This is in Chinese.
How do you do this?
Read the instruction though.
Oh. Oh. Oh, this is supposed to be like this. It's a fan. Oh no, baby's crying. Ignore the baby, okay? Ignore the baby.
Somebody will take care of the baby.
Because my sister always cries, I will make it in another.
Now you need to earn some money for your baby formula for your sister.
I don't even drink milk anymore. A little bit. This is... Okay, so see you later. What is this cardboard for? Maybe you can shape it into things. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers. So press the subscribe button and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye.